Hope you're doing really well, guys. Hey, I'm down here at the quay, and I'm actually looking at boats. And let me give you a bit of advice. I buy property, and I think property is the way forward. That's just my personal view. But buying things like these big boats right here, I think they are the biggest waste of money. And if you're serious about making money, serious about getting something started on Amazon, and I'm assuming you're not doing it for a hobby, you actually do want to make money on Amazon. If you do, then buying a boat like this, if you make money on Amazon, you're funneling into purchases such as these things right here. That's a silly thing to do. So do not do it. And we just had a beautiful lunch over there. It's one of my favorite restaurants here on the Gold Coast. But it's just incredible, guys. There's literally so many boats here. Every single boat here is for sale. And they realize the one thing, they buy this boat, and they realize that owning a boat is a terrible financial decision to make. Terrible. And they realize it's kind of like standing under a cold shower, my friend said, ripping up $100 bills. That's what it feels like to actually own a boat. And the two best times in people's lives when they buy boats is when they buy the boat the first day, and the second is when they sell the boat. Let's have a look at these boats. So do not buy boats. You want to invest in things that actually go up in value, not things that cost you money. And people fall in love, I think, with the romantic idea of owning one of these things. Same thing goes with starting a restaurant. You know, people fall in love with owning a restaurant because they want to walk up to their friends and go, "Hey, I'm the owner, I'll look after you, I'll comp your meal," right? Well, let me tell you, that's a romantic ideal. It's not going to make you money. You're spending 300 grand for a restaurant fit out, and at the end of the day, you end up working 70, 80-hour weeks, which isn't that fun at all. All right, guys, have a fantastic day. This is Alex coming to you from the beautiful Queensland suburb of the Gold Coast up in Marina Quay. Have some wisdom for yourself. Do not buy boats. No.